Hi, friends. My name is Toni Cureton, and I want to thank you for tuning in to another episode of Life Skills FYI. Life Skills FYI provides a set of core adult capabilities to manage work, family, and relationships successfully. It's designed to help build the skills adults need for life. Life Skills FYI teaches skills of planning, awareness, focus, self control, and flexibility. They are daily living skills to promote successful independent living. Skills that every adult should know, but were never taught in school. Life Skills FYI premieres on Thursdays at 10 a.m. on our My Virtual Academy Facebook page and on Instagram. Today is our second installment on the series of replacing personal ID. And we're going to be dealing with the Social Security card. So, as an adult, there are certain documents and forms of identification that are important. They are called personal ID, personal identification. They should be kept secure so that they are not lost, stolen, or destroyed. Your Social Security card is one of those documents. Your 9-digit Social Security number is your first and continuous connection with the Social Security Administration. It helps identify and accurately record your covered wages or your self-employment earnings. It is also used to monitor your record once you start getting Social Security benefits. Why do you need a Social Security card? A Social Security number is important because you needed to get a job, to collect Social Security benefits, and get other government services. To obtain a Social Security card, it can be done in 3 simple, easy steps, no matter whether or not you want to apply for an original card for the very first time, to replace a card that was lost or damaged or stolen, or to change or correct information on your Social Security card. For example, if you've gotten married and changed your name to your husband's name, that would require you to make a change to your Social Security card. But no matter what 3 instances you find yourself addressing, it's a simple process to change, replace, or to order a Social Security card. When applying for a Social Security card for the very first time, you're going to have to provide 2 forms of identification. If you're replacing it and there are no changes to it, you're just replacing one that got lost or stolen, you only need 1 form of identification. If you want to make any type of change or correction to your Social Security card, you need 1 form of identification, plus you need the document that the change is going to be reflected from. You may be able to apply for a replacement card online. You can use the My Social Security account to apply for a replacement Social Security card if you are a U.S. citizen, 18 years of age, have a U.S. mailing address, and you are not requesting any type of change to it. You're just merely replacing it because it got lost, damaged, or stolen, and you have a valid driver's license or state identification card. To apply online, you go to www.socialsecurityadministration.gov. Once you get on the website, you can create a personal online My Social Security account. It's a free and secure Social Security account, and it provides personalized tools for everyone. You can use the account to request a replacement Social Security card, check the status of your application, estimate future benefits, or manage benefits you're already receiving from any device. The first step in applying for or replacing or changing, making a change to your Social Security card is to go online and download and fill out the application. The web address, again, is www.socialsecurity.gov. This is what the application looked like. It's 17 questions. They're pretty easy and straightforward, but if you are having difficulty of any kind, you can call Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213, and they will assist you in filling out the application. Step 2, you have to provide your documents of evidence or your proof of identification as to who you are. The kinds of acceptable documents that they will accept as proof is your birth certificate, your driver's license, your US passport, or your US state ID. Now, if you're applying for an original Social Security card for the first time, you're going to definitely have to supply your birth certificate and one of the other 3 pieces of identification: driver's license, passport, or state ID card. If you're applying for a replacement, like I said, you can pick one of these 4 documents to provide as proof. And if you're applying for a change, you can pick one of these 4 documents to submit as proof, along with the document that reflects the change that you need to make to your card. So if you got married and your name's changed, you need to provide your marriage license. Now, when you are applying for either your original, replacement, or to make changes, you can't send them a photocopy of your driver's license or a photocopy of your birth certificate. They will only accept original documents. Step 3. Again, you're going to go online and you're going to download the application, fill it out, and then you're going to go to the section of locate my Social Security office. And you're going to enter your zip code, and it's going to show you the Social Security offices nearest you. You're going to write down their address, and then that's where you're going to mail your application and your proof of evidence identification documents. They, again, will only accept original documents or certified documents. And the documents that you send them, they will send it back to you. It's not like they keep them. They will send them back to you. Once you submit your application and your identification evidence, it will take approximately 7 to 10 business days to receive your new or your replacement Social Security card. The cost of this is absolutely free. Social Security Administration does not charge you to replace, change, or get an initial Social Security card. Now, once you receive your new Social Security card, again, the first thing you need to do is take a photo of it with your phone and store it in a file with your phone. Take it, make a photocopy of it, and now you have a paper hard copy. And then you need to put both the original card and the paper photocopy in a safe, secure place, such as this safe that you see here in the slide. Again, for a $30 investment at Walmart, you can own one of these nice, secure safes that will resist fire and flood and keep all of your personal documents and important papers safe and secure. You should also avoid giving out your social security number, especially if people are trying to contact you, whether it's by phone, mail, email, on the internet. If you did not initiate contact with this individual or company, be wise in refrain from giving out your number. This is how people wind up victims of identity theft. So once you receive your new card, again, take a photo of it, photocopy it, and then put it in a safe and secure place. And always remember not to just give out your number to everyone that asks you for it. Okay, friends, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this information was really helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 586-842-0558. Again, my name is Toni Cureton. Thanks so much. And always remember to adult responsibly.